Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Kit Kat is probably one of the most iconic and beloved chocolate bars in the world, known for its unique break ritual and satisfying crispy wafer layers enrobed in smooth milk chocolate, making it a go-to treat for a quick snack or a moment of indulgence that has captivated taste buds across generations with its simple yet addictive combination. Number 5. KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer Candy Bars. Get a bulk pack of your favorite chocolatey treat. This box contains 36 individually wrapped bars, perfect for sharing or stocking up. Fill your snack drawers, lunch boxes, and candy dishes with these delicious bars. They are perfect for any occasion, all year long. These candy bars are kosher certified and individually wrapped. This ensures lasting freshness and makes them perfect for resale or fundraising. Be the hit of any party with these classic treats. Everyone knows and loves the delicious combination of milk chocolate and crispy wafer. Enjoy these delectable, snap-worthy treats. Crisp, crunchy wafer bars are coated in smooth, creamy milk chocolate for a satisfying bite. These are a perfect addition to your holiday candy selections. They are a delightful choice for Halloween, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and Easter. What we like? This is the classic choice for stocking up. If you need to fill snack drawers for a crowd or want a reliable option for vending machines, this bulk pack is perfect. Its individually wrapped bars ensure freshness and convenience for any occasion, big or small. What people say? These were great, fresh, with expiration dates well into the future, and inexpensive. Candy is exactly what we see in stores. Prices are much better here. I am a Kit Kat junkie, and this purchase has more than met my needs. Number 4. KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer XL Candy Bars. Get ready for an XL treat. This bulk case contains 12 individually wrapped bars, perfect for sharing or stocking up. Fill your snack drawers, lunch boxes, and pantries with the classic taste you love. These are perfect for any occasion, all year long. Each bar is individually wrapped, ensuring lasting freshness and making them easy to share or resell. Enjoy ultimate convenience with every bite. Make your next event unforgettable. These are a guaranteed hit at any celebration, from birthdays to weddings, bringing smiles to everyone. Experience the delightful combination of crisp, crunchy wafer and smooth, creamy milk chocolate. These extra-large treats are simply irresistible. Don't forget these delectable treats for your holiday candy selections. They're perfect for Easter, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and Halloween. What we like? Looking for a more substantial treat? This extra-large option offers a bigger bite for those moments when you need a more satisfying indulgence. It's ideal for those who love a classic Kit Kat but want a bit more of that crispy wafer and creamy chocolate experience in one go. What people say? They are the real deal, real genuine Kit Kat bars in a super-size package. Each time they have always been fresh, never melted or taste of anything other than what it actually is, light milk chocolate upon wafer bars. This is a huge-ass Kit Kat bar. If you live in a hot climate, don't worry. Amazon's got you covered. They put an ice pack in an insulated package. Number 3. KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer Snack Size Jumbo Bag. Get ready for a party-sized bag filled with your favorite KIT snack size bars. It's the perfect way to stock up on this classic treat. Whether it's filling up snack drawers or packing lunch boxes, these delightful bars are perfect for any occasion, all year round. Each bar is individually wrapped, ensuring lasting freshness and ultimate convenience. Enjoy the perfect snap every time. Make any celebration a hit. These are the perfect treat for birthdays, holidays, and any special event everyone will love. Experience the irresistible combination of crisp wafer and smooth milk chocolate. They're the perfect bite-sized indulgence. From Easter to Halloween, these are a must-have for your holiday candy selections. They're a timeless favorite. What we like? For effortless sharing and portion control, this jumbo bag of snack-size bars is the way to go. If you're planning a party, need treats for a classroom, or just want to have smaller, convenient options readily available, these are perfect. They make it easy for everyone to grab a piece of the fun. What people say? Box ships with cold packs. So it's also protected inside another box. has always been fresh. Fresh upon arrival that is worth 5 stars itself. Number 2. 20 Japanese Kit Kat 10 Flavors Double Assortment Pack. Experience a delightful assortment of 20 Kit Kats, featuring 10 unique and exciting Japanese flavors. You'll get 2 of each flavor, offering a wonderful variety in every pack. Embark on a distinctive taste adventure with unconventional options like wasabi and purple sweet potato. These unique Japanese candy flavors offer a truly special experience. Make your next special occasion unforgettable. It's ideal for themed parties, gatherings, or as a unique gift to surprise and entertain your loved ones with these Japanese snacks. Discover the latest limited edition releases and stay at the forefront of Japan's flavor innovations. You'll always find something fresh and exciting in this collection of Japanese snacks. Each box comes with clearly labeled packaging. You'll find complete ingredient lists, nutrition facts, allergen declarations, net weight, country of origin, and expiration dates. What we like? Embark on a unique flavored journey with this assortment of Japanese Kit Kats. If you're an adventurous eater or looking for a truly distinctive gift, this is for you. Explore exciting and unconventional tastes that you won't find anywhere else, offering a delightful surprise with every bar. What people say. It is a fun indulgence to try flavors that aren't common in the US. The packaging was nice and the product was as advertised. Great variety of Kit Kat. Great gift. Everything was unique and delicious. So much fun. Number 1. KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer Snack Size Pantry Pack. Introducing the KIT Milk Chocolate Wafer Snack Size Pantry Pack. It contains 25 individually wrapped snack size bars, perfect for any occasion. Keep your favorite milk chocolate wafer candy neat and organized with this convenient pantry pack. You can store it easily in your pantry or even the fridge. Each bar is individually wrapped and kosher certified, ensuring freshness and quality. The stackable box protects your delicious treats. Enjoy these during relaxing moments alone, movie nights with friends, or even at your desk. They are the perfect sweet chocolate and wafer snack. Chill, store, and enjoy these crisp milk chocolate sweets during any celebration. They are ideal for Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween, and Christmas. What we like? Keep your snacks perfectly organized and ready to enjoy with this convenient pantry pack. If you appreciate neat storage and the option to chill your treats for an extra crisp experience, this is your ideal choice. It's perfect for personal enjoyment during movie nights or quiet moments, ensuring your favorite snack is always within reach. What people say. The right size and the price is super great. It tastes good. It was sturdy. Is a cute little box, and can fit in your purse or knapsack if you were taking it to the movies or a friends to share during a TV show. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.